Get ready for a journey like no other as we unlock the secrets of Pakistan's rich cultural heritage. In the next 60 seconds, we'll dive deep into a world of tradition, art, and history that will leave you in awe. Pakistan, a land where ancient traditions come to life. From colorful festivals to time-honored customs, every corner resonates with the echoes of a vibrant past. Explore the intricate world of Pakistani arts and crafts, from the delicate handwork of skilled artisans to the vibrant patterns that tell stories of generations. The culture is woven into every masterpiece. Brace your taste buds for a culinary adventure. Pakistan's rich tapestry is not just in its textiles, but also in its diverse and flavorful cuisine. From aromatic spices to savory delights, experience a feast for the senses. Uncover the historical marvels that stand as a testament to Pakistan's incredible past. From the ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro to the architectural wonders of Lahore, history comes alive in every stone. Join the joyous celebrations, from the lively beats of traditional music to the colorful dances that mark special occasions. Pakistan knows how to celebrate life. Pakistan's cultural heritage is a mosaic of diversity, a testament to unity and differences. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets and dive into the heart of Pakistan's cultural richness?